I'm going to introduce y'all to, she's actually one of my favorite characters because she's so funny. Howdy! She says howdy instead of hey, instead of hello. Can y'all say howdy to Sammy Joe? Howdy! Howdy! Hi, y'all! Y'all, it is spring. Did you know it was spring? Did you know that it was spring? Yeah. You knew that it was spring? Yeah. Oh, y'all, you should see my farm in the spring. It's so beautiful. I have lots and lots of animals. Raise your hand if you've ever been to a farm. Okay, well then you might know too about what she's going to talk to y'all about this morning. Oh, I know you want to come up and see Sammy Joe, but what if everybody ran up and wanted to shake Sammy Joe's hand at the same time? She might get hurt. You have to stay sitting down like all your friends and be a good audience, okay? All right? But I know it's really exciting. And I'll have some characters back in the puppet theater for you to play with later, because I can tell you like puppets. Raise your hand if you like puppets. Oh, me too. Well, y'all, I have so much in common with the animals. She has things in common with the animals. What could she have in common with the animals? Well, you know, like I like to talk like the animals. I bet. I like to talk like the animals sometimes. But instead of saying no, I might say nay. Instead of saying no, she says nay. What kind of animal does she sound like when she says nay instead of no? What is that? A horse. So she has something in common with a horse. She says nay like a horse. And then other times, like if I need somebody to move out of my way, I might say move. A cow. So she says move like a cow. She says move. But you notice that she added please. Did you notice that she added 4 please? Now that's nice manners, because if she just told somebody to move, would that be polite? No. And then other times, like if somebody's having a bad day, I might just say, oh, well, that's just rough. What animal does she sound like? Who says, well, that's just rough? Who said that? Rough. A dog. No, a dog. That one, I think she was trying to trick you on that one. And then, oh, another thing, like if the animals make a big old mess on the farm, I'll just go, oh, that's bad. So she has lots of things in common with the animals, but I'm wondering if she has anything in common with the spring insect that you might know about. A caterpillar. Do you have anything in common with caterpillars? Oh yeah, wait. Well, I do like to eat. Caterpillars like to eat a lot, don't they? Who's read the book? Raise your hand if you've ever heard the book, The Hungry Caterpillar. You know that is the only job of the caterpillar is to eat. I know, it's so exciting. I know, it's so exciting. I'm going to put this in my puppet theater after the puppet show because this is a fun puppet. Not only is it a caterpillar, but it does something else. Crawls around and then it changes into something. Oh my goodness, y'all are so smart. Kiss your brains. How did you know that? Oh my goodness, she just said a fancy word. A chrysalis, that's right. And then what is and it flaps its wings, that's right. Well, I don't have wings. Well, that's just not fair. You know, we can just appreciate the differences of all the different animals and everybody. We don't have to be jealous of them. We can just appreciate them. Because yes, the caterpillar turns into a butterfly with wings, but you just need to appreciate that difference. Oh, you're right. Well, I want to see this butterfly. Well, it takes some time. I don't know if we'll get to see the caterpillar turn into a butterfly today. Oh my goodness, we can see it. Wow, that is just beautiful. I don't know if I have anything in common with the butterfly. Well, your You are beautiful, just like a butterfly. Oh, stop! Thank you so much for saying that. And you know what? We have different body parts than a butterfly, which is an insect, don't we?
Yeah, butterfly.
We have head, shoulders. What else? Knees and toes.
Head, shoulders, and toes.
Now sing it for me. What's next? Oh, that is like my favorite song. But you know what? We'd have to sing it different if we sang it about a butterfly, wouldn't we? Would we be able to sing head, shoulders, knees, and toes about a butterfly? No. What would we? Do y'all know that song? Did we learn that song yet? I'm going to teach y'all this song, and then I'm going to see if y'all can sing it with me, and then we're going to finish our puppet show after y'all learn this song. Because when you go home after learning this song, and you tell everybody in your family about this song, you're going to say, "Woo! You are so smart to know all the different body parts of an insect." Because this isn't just about a butterfly. This is about any insect. So it says, so here's starting off the same way. You start off the same way as head and shoulders, knees and toes, but you say head, thorax. Can you say that fancy word? Thorax. Oh, y'all are smart as can be. Head, thorax, abdomen. Abdomen. Can you say abdomen? Abdomen. Y'all are fancy. I mean, these are some big words. Head, thorax, abdomen, abdomen. Head, thorax, abdomen, abdomen. And then you sing eyes, just like we have. Eyes, wings, and antenna too. Antenna too. And then, listen, this is real important. Then say 6 legs. And that's an insect for you. Okay, this is a lot. We're going to try to put it together. We're going to sing it a couple times. So it says head, thorax, abdomen, abdomen. Head, thorax, abdomen, abdomen. Eyes, wings, and antenna too. 6 legs, and that's an insect for you. All right, let's see if Sammy Joe can sing it. Can you sit down? Can you sit down so that all your friends can watch Sammy Joe sing it this time? And y'all are going to sing it with Sammy Joe, okay? And then we are done with our puppet show. I don't have antenna. I just have pigtails. What? But that's okay because your pigtails are beautiful. The butterflies' antenna are beautiful. It's okay. We appreciate our time. All right, ready? Let's sing it. Hey!